Cashanista friends, it's Casharee here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can see, is all about the YouTube money, the YouTube check, or securing the bag, as they say. So yeah, I finally reached the threshold and got my first YouTube check, y'all. Super excited about it. So I'm gonna share with y'all because I like sharing with my Cashanista friends. So I got my first YouTube check in January of this year, and it was $225. First YouTube check, little over $200. Super excited, which isn't like a whole bunch of money, but it's still like enough to make, at least enough for me to be like, oh my god, and make me happy. So yeah, over $200. And I've been doing YouTube now for a little over a year. And if you're not familiar with my channel is all about hair, nails, fashion, and I do some lifestyle videos here and there as well, but mostly about hair, nails, and fashion. So let me tell y'all how I even got to the threshold of that $100, because $100 is the threshold that you must meet in order to get a check issued to you from YouTube. You have to make at least $100 for them to start paying you. So the video, it was one particular video on my channel that really like exposed me, got me some, a good amount of views, that, therefore I was able to get my first YouTube check. And that video is the video on my short goddess locks. I did how to do short goddess locks on medium length hair. That video, a lot of people liked it, and was watching the video, which let me reach to my threshold. And it's so ironic because that video almost didn't happen. When I tell y'all, I was getting so frustrated trying to do that hairstyle. Nothing was working out. I started to do the hairstyle at night, and I was probably like 2-3 hours in and still couldn't get a method that actually worked. I tried YouTubing, of course, ways to accomplish the look with longer hair, and I just did not find a video that showed a simple method, because I wasn't trying to do all this complicated stuff. I just wanted something simple to get that look, and YouTube didn't help me when I was looking for it. Didn't find a video to help me. So I was just like getting so frustrated, and I was like, you know what, let me just go to sleep, try again tomorrow. If it don't work out tomorrow, then I'm just not gonna do it. So that's what I did. Went to sleep angry and upset and frustrated. The next day, woke up, tried again, and finally just started, I guess I started with the rubber band method, and that ended up sticking, and that's how I end up getting the look to do the hairstyle. But it's just so crazy because that's the video that actually got me views, or more views than I ever had gotten before. So if you're not familiar with how people make money on YouTube, let me just touch on that, which I'm still fairly new to, so I don't know like all the in-depth stuff. I just know like the basics. And nowadays YouTube has changed the requirements, I think effective beginning of this year. So it's now even harder to even start to make money on YouTube. So you have to reach the threshold of $100 to start getting a check from YouTube. And in order to do that, you monetize your videos. So by monetizing your videos, that's really just placing ads on your videos to be shown at the beginning of your videos, or in between, in the middle of your videos. And that's how you make money, by those ads being played on your video. Now, with the new YouTube rules that just came out, they just changed it to where you can't even monetize your videos until you have at least, I think it's 1,000 subscribers on your channel and 400,000 watch time views, if I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong about the watch time views, but it's a certain amount of watch time views you must have on your channel overall in order to even click the button to start having ads placed on your channel to start trying to make some money. So of course they see that everybody's blowing up on YouTube, everybody's making money on YouTube. A lot of people, this is their full-time job. They're YouTubers, and they're like, okay, too many people make money or making too much money, so let's make it a little harder. That's how I look at it personally. Like, that might not be the case, but that's how I look at it. Like they say that it's too many people making money on YouTube, so they said we need to make it harder for people to start making a lot of money. But anywho, so that's just how you start to make money on the tube. I'm still fairly new, so I'm still learning and stuff, but yeah. So when I first started my channel, I watched a lot of videos like this about people sharing their experience of, they're getting their first YouTube check and stuff. And the number one thing that everybody said across the board when it came to like new YouTubers and all of that and growing your channel, everybody said the same thing as far as being persistent, being consistent with posting videos, and that's how they grew their channel. So I probably agree with the same thing. Just I'm staying consistent as much as I can, although I get busy sometimes. But I actually like doing this. I don't look at this like it's not a hassle for me to make my videos because it's stuff that I'm doing anyway. Like I'm always gonna do my nails every 2 weeks when they start messing up. I'm always gonna try some new hairstyles because I just don't like my hair looking the same way, and I get tired of doing my hair every day. And I'm gonna do a protective style and do it myself so that I can save money. So I don't look at YouTube as like it's a house for me to do it. I actually love doing it. I figure why not film myself doing it because I'm gonna do it anyway. But yeah, so that's just my little YouTube journey thus far when it came to getting that first check that I'm super excited about. And I hope y'all found my little story helpful or useful. And I will catch y'all later because that's it for now. Peace.